Hey, what's up, people? NYC Unboxing Guy here. I'm back with another video. And this one is a big one. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes we have to unbox. And in one of those boxes is the main attraction. Now, I'm not going to do it in any particular order, but as I'm sure you could tell from the title, it's the unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 Black with a whole gang of accessories. I bought them all. Stay tuned. You know, stay happy, and we'll be right back with you. NYC Unboxing Guy. Peace. Trying to occupy myself in this quarantine. Okay, so let's get the show on the road. I'm not sure which box this is in particular. Okay, first up we have this one here. I'm thinking this might be the extra battery and the battery charger. So let's see what this is. Okay. This one is the main attraction of the show. So this one is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And of course, the extra memory card. More to go. Okay. Let's see. That's the rechargeable battery. Rechargeable battery.
Now 47.
The Pro adapter for the microphone. Let's see if you guys can see that. And the dual battery charger. Dual battery charger. Okay, so far we have the memory card, 32 gigabytes, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the rechargeable extra battery, the mic adapter, and another extra battery and dual charger. Shall we keep going? There's 2 more boxes. Okay, now we got that third box open. This box, of course, gets opened last. And yes, this is what I was looking for. Definitely excited about. Let's turn that over. Boom. This is the 3-in-1 3-way grip, arm, and tripod. This is the 3-in-1. As you can see, it's not only is it the grip arm, but it's also a tripod. Last, as you can see, this one is from Amazon. I already started to open it when I thought to myself, wait a minute, you know, the people are not going to get to see me rip this box open, and that's no good. The newer 50-in-1 GoPro action camera accessory case. Boom. So that concludes the unboxing or the unpackaging portion of the video. We're gonna rip these open right now and see what's in here and see what's going on with those. So, okay, so here we have the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter for the GoPro Hero 7 Black and a few cameras before that. Who knows? I think it's good for the 5 as well as the 4 and the 6. And then we have the dual battery charger. with battery, extra battery, because I knew I was gonna need a few extra batteries. That's why I bought another extra battery and the dual battery charger. So you know, boom. And of course the memory card, the 32 gigabyte memory card that comes with the GoPro when you order it from GoPro. So I say we start with the rechargeable battery. See if I can one hand this. Let's set y'all down for a second. Breaking this in half. There we go. Okay, so here we have a little extra battery. Okay, I'm gonna say next is the dual battery charger.
It's pretty good friggin' tape. Holy shit.
That's how I like it. There's a little booklet, of course. And here's the dual charger. Okay. Okay, you have your 2 slots for the 2 batteries right there. And of course your GoPro branding and the little charger port there, the wire. So in the box you get the wire, the charger itself, and the spare battery. Okay, so that's what you get. See, I like to just rip through boxes just like that. Okay, nothing in there. I was about to say, they just get me with the old empty box trick. Anyway, it has a good weight to it. Good feel. It feels pretty sturdy. The wire feels pretty thick, so it doesn't feel like it's going to be, you know, at risk of shorting out or anything like that. This is USB Type-C, of course. Yep, USB-C connector. I also have a few more accessories actually coming, but they're not here yet. They should be here by Monday, but of course y'all will see those when they get here. Okay, so now the thing that I was most excited about next to having the camera was this 3-way grip arm tripod for some reason. I find this very interesting. I have a few different types of attachments like monopods and GorillaPod and even the gimbal and, you know, even a very similar thing like this. But I like the concept of this because this seems like it's very, very versatile and it can save me a lot of space, whereas the other things I have, they don't necessarily fold down like this, you know. So, enough talking. Let's get the old knife out and let's get to work. Hey, nice. Pick it up like a lightsaber. But no, it definitely has a very good feel and weight to it. Completely. It's very good. Okay, and the only other thing that comes inside of the box is the little screw attachment. Okay, yes, I guess it really does go in that way. Cool. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's see that there. Okay, so it's fast open, fast to close, and the little hidden trick.
Yeah, so this is where the tripod legs are hiding.
Sturdy little legs there. And boom. See that? And this, to me, is the coolest part. You fold out the legs. Fold it away. Boom. And for me, this is very important because I'm the type of YouTuber and filmmaker. When I go out and make videos, I like to have a compact, or as compact setup as possible. Okay, people, this is the main event. We're gonna unbox the GoPro Hero 7 Black. Aha! See what's going on in there. Okay. I waited a very long time to buy the GoPro. GoPro because I was very satisfied with the camera on my S10 Plus. And in many ways, the camera on the S10 Plus is superior, but it's still no action camera. And I also run the risk of dropping it, you know, when I don't need to have my phone being the primary, you know, or I don't want my phone being the primary camera when I'm riding the bike and doing my other types of things from other channels. Push out. There we go.
Okay, that was it. Whole bunch of books just come sliding out.
Okay. Well, you know I want that. Okay. So here we have it. GoPro camera. A few of the little attachments. That little attachment thing that came, you know, that it was attached to. Bunch of stickers. It's cool. And of course the instructions manual and get started booklet. Need help. This is what you get for your, how much was it? $229 on sale from GoPro. Okay. Alright, so this is what we get. Okay, here is the GoPro outside of her case. GoPro Hero 7 Black. Aha! We have it here. The final friggin' package. This unboxing is going all into the evening. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, and now we have come to the conclusion. Okay, so here we have the newer 50-in-1. Let's not shake up this table too much. Okay. Wow. Let's just back up here so y'all can see that. All right. Suction cup. Clip. Strong clip. Wrist strap. Oh, here's the whole list.
Carrying case, chest strap, head strap, wrist strap, floating handle grip, suction cup, clamp, selfie stick, mini tripod, wrist strap for remote, bicycle handlebar mount. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Adjustable pivot arm, another adjustable pivot arm, screw, surface hook, curved mount, helmet strap, helmet extension arm. Yeah, cool. A wrench, flat mounts, anti-flog sheets, a whole bunch of adhesive pads, and strap buckle.
Just got a whole bunch of stuff here. Oh yeah, chest strap, wrist straps. All right. Okay, so far we have the suction arm and the helmet strap. This is the off the helmet dongle. This of course would be the wrist strap. You know, put that on. Of course, it's a little difficult to put on yourself. Then you tighten this strap, of course. Put that through there, and then you're GoProing like it's a hawk. Oh yes. That clamp. Oh yeah, this is really good, strong clamp. Plastic everywhere. I'm not even gonna pour this out, but this is apparently, oh yes, all the various stickers and the wrench, you know, a bunch of other assorted things. See here. Oh yes, this is definitely part of the where's that paper? Yeah, surface hooks and buckles and the strap buckle, the curved mount. Put all of that back in there because I'm not trying to lose all the pieces. Of course, you have booklet. Okay. Here we have the chest rig. I'm about to put this on and go out there right now. And of course, just remaining is the floaty device, a little selfie stick, and the tripod. Yep, with those little bendy legs. Cool. Oh yes, strap for the watch, if you have the watch. And the other various pieces of plastic crap. So that's it. That's the full unboxing. It's like a boxes galore. And I gotta clean this mess up. Let that GoPro charge up. NYC Unboxing Guy. Peace.